Hello, you are welcome to Suadze. Suadze is an educational tech company dedicated to providing educational content to students. So we focus on students in the junior high school, senior high school, and those in the tertiary level. We provide them content, we explain to them everything they learn in school, so they don't need any private teacher. With our platform, you get access to content free. My name is Evans. I'm a graduate from the University of Cape Coast, where I hold a BSc degree in Mathematics with Business. After my first degree, I taught in school for some time where I help students in mathematics. I thought it wise to come together with colleagues and friends to create a platform to help students who are not in my class, so that they also get to learn from the insights I have. So at Suadze, I help students in mathematics both at the junior high school and the senior high school come with ease with their topics and the things that they learn in class. On our platform, we also have a lot of amazing teachers, some who have master's degrees, some who have PhD, those who are experienced teachers that can help you with your academic work. So make sure you stay glued to our platform so that we help you become a better student and have access to a lot of educational content to help you in your academic journey. Today we are going to look at 2021 mathematics. I'm going to take you through all the questions, the solutions, and how you can solve all the questions. So we are starting from the essay, question 1, which relates to Venn diagram. So the question says that in the diagram, M and N are intersecting sets in the universal set U. A. Express number of M and number of N in terms of X. So let's start. We are to find the number of M. And to do that, we are going to just write all the figures in the circle M. And in this, we get 8x, we'll get 8x plus 4 plus 6. Then we go ahead and then simplify the expression. So this will give us 8x plus 4 plus 6 will give us 10. So this is the number of M equals to 8x plus 10. The other part of question A says we should find the number of N. So this will give us number of N is equals to. So we do that by writing the figures or expressions in the circle N. And this will give us 2x plus 7 plus 6. Then we go ahead and simplify the expression. So this will give us 2x plus 7 plus 6 will give us 13. So we've been able to solve question A. Then we go to question B. Question B says that given that the number of M is equals to number of N, find the value of X. So what we are going to do is to equate the number of N to this. But from A, we have already solved for the number of M, which is 8x plus 10. And we've already solved for the number of N, which is 2x plus 13. So from here, what we do is to group like terms. So you realize that 8x and 2x are the same. And then 10 and 13 are also like terms. So what we do that anytime you are grouping like terms, you make sure that you send the smaller one to join the bigger one. So in this case, 2x is smaller than this. So we bring this one to the other side of the equation. So we have 8x. And you should always note that anytime you are sending an expression to the other side of the equation, immediately it goes there. The sign in the equation changes. We realize that here 2x is positive. So when it crosses to the other side of the equation, it changes to negative 2x. So this will give us negative 2x equals to, we already have 13 here, so we maintain our 13. We have 10 at the left hand side of the equation. Now we are taking 10 to the right hand side of the equation. Because it is positive here, when it crosses to the other side of the equation, it will change to negative 10. So we have negative 10 here. 8x minus 2x will give us 6x equals to 13 minus 10 will give us 3. We want to find x, but x is being multiplied by 6. And anytime a number is multiplying an expression and we want to take that number away, we divide. So we are going to divide both sides by 6, this side by 6. So this will cancel this. 3 go into itself 1 and goes here 2. So we have our x is equals to 1 divided by 2. So we've been able to find BI. Then we go ahead and find BII, which says that find the number of u. Okay, so we are going to look at the BII, which says find the number of u. The u is the universal set. So which means that the universal means everything. So we are going to add all the elements within u, starting from here. So this will give us 8x plus 4 plus 6. That is the 6 in the middle here. Then we write this one, 2 plus 6 plus 2x plus 7. The number outside here too is complement. We'll still add it to it. So we have plus 6. Then we group like terms. This one and this one are like terms. So 8x plus 2x will give us 10x plus 4 plus 6 will give us 10 plus 6 plus 7 will give us 13. We go ahead and simplify it. So we have 10x plus 23. But from BI, we already solved for the value of x, which gave us half. So we are going to substitute the half into this. So we are going to get 10 into brackets 1 over 2 plus 23. We can use the 2 here, the denominator here, to cancel the 10. So 2 goes into itself 1 and goes into 10, 5. So we use the 5 to multiply the 1 here, which will give us 5. So 5 plus 23. This will give us 28. So the number of u is 28. So we are now going to look at the question 1c, which says that simplify 2 raised to the power 6 divided by, brackets open, 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power 1, bracket close, divided by 2 raised to the power 5. So this is a question relating to indices. So we are going to apply the laws of indices in solving this question. But before that, we also apply what we call board marks, which means bracket of division, additions, and subtraction. So we are going to work out the part of the question that falls within the brackets. So we maintain our 2 raised to the power 6 divided by, so inside the brackets, we have 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power 1. The laws of indices says that anytime you have two numbers and the base are equal and they are multiplying each other, you add the powers. So this is going to give us 2 raised to the power 2. That is the power here plus the power of here. So you have 2 plus 1, bracket close, divided by 2 raised to the power 5. We can go ahead and simplify this. So this will give us 2 raised to the power 6 divided by 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power 5. So realize that now all of them have division sign. The other law of indices also says that when you have numbers and all the base are equal and the numbers are dividing each other, subtract the powers. So we are going to maintain one of this base, which is 2. So we are going to have 2 raised to the power 6 minus this power, which is 3, minus this power, which is 5. So this is going to give us 2 raised to the power 6 minus 3 minus 8 minus 5 will give us minus 8. So this will give us 2 raised to the power negative 2. So that is our final answer. You can also express it in or 1 over 2 raised to the power 2. So this is the solution to 1C. Thank you for watching our videos and I hope you learned a lot. But before you go, make sure if you have not subscribed, you subscribe and then hit the notification so that anytime we share a new video, you get to have access to them. You can also follow us on our social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. They are all at Suadze. The spelling is Suadze. Or you can also log on to our website at www.suadze.com and you get amazing resources for your educational journey.